650 people showed up over the course of the day to get their first Pfizer shots today at the Rock Region Metro bus station downtown. They, Baptist Health and the Arkansas Foundation for Medical Care, hosted the vaccination clinic starting at 9 this morning. They'll get their second shot 3 weeks from now. And it's been almost 1 week since the Johnson & Johnson vaccine arrived in our state, and many are wondering where they can get their hands on the one-dose shot. But as THV 11's Mercedes McKay shows us, it may be a while until it's widely available at your local pharmacy.
According to the Department of Health, about 20 pharmacies in the state of Arkansas have their hands on the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, one of them being Doctor's Orders Pharmacy here in Pine Bluff. The pharmacist told me those shots won't be going into arms, though, until next week.
But we were a little shocked. We didn't know we were getting it.
When the Johnson & Johnson vaccine arrived at Leland Stices Pharmacy last week, it came as a surprise.
It was requested by the University of Arkansas at Pine Bluff in order to do their vaccines out there.
Doctor's Orders Pharmacy did the university's vaccine clinic about a month ago, so the 400 J&J doses they received will first go to the rest of UAPB staff this coming Monday.
After we complete the clinic for UAPB, we're going to set up a clinic specifically for a Johnson & Johnson Day.
Stice says the details for the other clinic are still unknown, since they don't know how many doses will be left, and they aren't sure if they'll be receiving any more.
The Johnson & Johnson vaccine takes much longer to manufacture than the Moderna or the Pfizer, so it's a much slower lead time on getting that vaccine shipped.
It's a similar story across the state. Clarksville Family Pharmacy received 100 doses last week, but most of them will go to the staff at the University of the Ozarks.
The excitement was somewhat tempered with that because we don't know how many doses we'll actually have for the community itself.
Ward Lee says they'll be giving the one-dose shot to about 75 to 90 staff members on March 18th. But he says many in his community are eager when it's their turn.
They're holding out, waiting for that to happen. So distribution has been somewhat slowed with the anticipation of being able to take one shot.
Both pharmacists told me once they are done with the clinics that they are doing at those particular schools, then they will have to see if they have any extra doses to give out to the public. In Pine Bluff, Mercedes McKay, THV 11 News.